Guys, if you're someone who struggles with dark circles and if you want to know how I do my makeup to color correct and conceal my dark circles, here are some tips which I follow. This is my bare skin. I just have sunscreen on it. So the first step is to moisturize your under eyes very well. You can use any moisturizer. I'm using an eye cream. This is by Clinique, but you can use any cream. Just tap it in and apply it gently. And another tip which I would like to give is to leave at least 2-3 minutes before each step so that the product is absorbed completely. Next step is to take your primer, whatever primer you have, face primer, and apply it under your eyes. Now the primer will help in smoothing that fine lines. We always apply it all over the face, but we forget to apply under eyes. But this really helps in making your makeup lasting longer, as well as to make a smooth base for your concealer and corrector. Love this primer by Maybelline. It's smoothing and as well as it's hydrating. So it's like a moisturizer, but it just fills in that lines properly. You can apply it also over your eyes just to prep your eyes for your eyeshadow. If you are a deeper skin tone, you can definitely use an orange color corrector. I used to use, but now I think it's a little bit too much to use a concealer really light to cover it up. So what I do is I take a concealer which is closer to my skin tone or a darker concealer and apply it, but take a tiny bit only. We used to apply that big triangle, you know, but actually you don't need it. Just take a tiny bit and just dot it and press it into your skin. And you can use a brush also. I love the PAC concealer brush, but now I'm using the fingers because the warmth of your fingers really helps in, you know, melting that product. You can also take your concealer above your eyes. So I like to conceal this inner corner of my eye because I have dark pigmentation over there. So because this concealer is not too light, it's very close to my skin tone, it really helps in covering that pigmentation if you don't want to use a color corrector. You can already see the difference between both the eyes, and also this NYX concealer is very hydrating. If you have a lot of fine lines under your eyes, this is a great product, and it's drugstore price. So what I'm going to do is take a lighter concealer, just a tiny bit. You don't need a lot, just over here and here. That's it. Going to use my PAC concealer brush and just press this concealer. It just helps to brighten up that area. We have already corrected it, so it helps in, you know, brightening that area and give that lifted look over here. No concealer is, you know, crease proof. It will crease, but the thing we can do is manage it and reduce the appearance of the lines. Now the last step is to set the concealer. Now you can use any compact or loose powder. I prefer using a banana powder. I have two options. This is the Essence Brighten Up banana powder and this is the Sugar banana powder. I love both of this. I like the Sugar one a little more because it has that yellow tint to it which helps in brightening your eyes. What you want to do is take a powder brush. This is the Cuffs and Lashes brush, and pick up some powder, tap it onto your hand to evenly spread the powder so that you don't apply too much, and make sure there are no creases before you apply the powder, and just press it around your eyes. This will make sure that your concealer doesn't move. As you can see, there is a huge difference in both of the eyes and it doesn't look cakey. That is the whole point of applying very minimal products, and prepping your eyes is also very important. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, please follow and share with your friends.